Join us again. It's Business Breakfast on Nigerian Television. Let's take a quick look at what's playing out at the Nigerian capital market, bring to you the necessary figures and also do some analysis of it. The Nigerian stock market rally continued on Thursday as Seplat Energy Limit PLC led other major advances that pushed the market higher to 0.57% to close at 317 billion naira respectively. The all-share index and market capitalization rose by 0.57% to close at 102.149.93 basis points and 55.9 trillion naira respectively. The year-to-date gains of the benchmark index also rose to 36.61%. UBA, Transcorp, Sterling Financial Holding Company, Japo Gold and Access Corporations were actively traded stocks as investors in the 12,235 deals exchanged hands in 504.194 million naira shares worth 10.3 billion naira. Ambrose Amodio, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting Limited, joins me now live virtually as to do some analysis of these figures. Ambrose, good morning. It's a pleasure having you join me on the program.
Yeah.
Let's get talking now. What's your reaction to trading activities yesterday at the exchange? 12th day of positive trading. What do you have to say concerning this?
Yes, sorry, I was the direction after one thing like up so keeping the market green. So that there was a kind of a clear buying across all the sectors, both the high cap and low cap. So we have over the past energy so that the market was up. But the good thing that we have a good buying fire for the market and the market which was positive. That is that it's across the globe. People are looking for blue chip company that has the dividend paying capacity at the end of the day, because we're already in the end season when we expect companies to start releasing their audited results to the dividend announcement. That will go a long way to support the share prices and we need that money and what they are dividend.
All right, we'll just hold it at that. We'll take a short break for a commercial, and when we return, we'll continue with the conversation. Just stay with us. It's Business Breakfast on Nigerian Television. Thank you for being part of the conversation again. Ambrose Amodion, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting Limited, is still with me virtually doing some analysis of stock market review at the exchange yesterday. Ambrose, when we look at what's playing out at the NGX, we see that the banking stocks are also rallying, and also the stocks in the oil and gas sectors also doing well as well. What can you say about stocks in other sectors, especially in the manufacturing and services sector? What's your reaction to that? And then again, what can you also tell us or bring to speed about activities playing out in the fixed income market?
Actually, I would say that there was a impact from the banking sector yesterday after they were profit taking in previous days. And that for me is the dynamic market. After profit taking, while the come down for fresh tension, and now what was on the banking sector. And also, don't forget that in the Nigerian stock market, the most considered element is banking sector. That is move back ahead of their full-year results. This was the advantage of that. But also, see that we just mentioned the market sector. Yes, I was still rally up of the sentiment. But I believe that because the dollar issue is a problem, most of the market sector numbers will not be as impressive as expected, because after few transactions, a lot of expensive issue, and they cannot be resolved now. For other sectors, they can see that activities we saw in Japan yesterday, we saw in other like NGX, because they were in a good results from Japan yesterday. That result also was attraction for Japan, and also Japan also informed the market of the private market activities. These are the factors, impacting Japan. For NGX, for market is also for society and result, because that is the first subject account to be to lead the market from now. This will be history. But the interest at 31st of January, I experienced generally the result. And also, the people who take dividends will share that before now. But so they also to pay final dividends. This is the activities in senators and then like Japan and other market at all because of what the full market price and also the expected earnings that will cover the entry for no expectation.
Today being Friday, the 26th of January 2024, it's the last trading day of the week. What is your projections going by the fundamentals or perhaps the way trading is looking at the exchange? What's your projection for today? Do you see the market also being ending on the green, or perhaps it's just be a mixed market? Your thoughts on this?
The market before now has been over both regions, I'll tell you, and because of the sentiment in the market and at the same time, people positioning for anything, the guys that are going to go over. For me, market has become for shape or has been talked for for shape 11 days now, I today. I think that we're supposed to keep up with taking on some stuff. I'm not being in the general market, but for us, where people are made good money, they have to take profit. But for me, investors also think twice that the price one thing today, with the earnings also was better in the market support, the people in their defense around, that would inform the kind of strategy for ourselves in the market.
All right, we'll leave it at that. I'd like to say a big thank you to you, Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting Limited, as always, for your insightful, in-depth analysis on market activity. Thank you so much. Have yourself a wonderful weekend ahead. All right, folks, let's shift focus now to our conversation segment of the program. Yet, what's coming up? Nigeria's gross domestic product is expected to increase by 3.3% and 3.7% in the year 2024 and the year 2025, respectively, and that's according to a latest projection by the World Bank. And finally, oil prices eased today after rising to their highest since December in the previous session, but we are set for their biggest weekly gain since October as positive U.S. economic growth and signs of China stimulus boosted fuel demand sentiment. Let's get talking about this and many more on our conversation segment of the show in a moment, if only you will stay.